Just to go ahead and clear the air, I'm not saying goodbye from YouTube. I'm just saying goodbye from my old shop. And I have actually released a video, the Christmas video, a month ago or so, of me in my new shop. But I just want to kind of say goodbye and give a proper goodbye to the old shop that I've moved out of. And yeah, I'm going to go back and show all those long intros I used to do. And I like the intros. I can't promise that they won't come back in the future, but here's what they used to look like. And I don't know what I was thinking with the Studio Epic.
But I have to say, it really does look good. And I have to thank my buddy Lil Chef for all the thumbnails. I want to give a huge shout out to him and a huge thank you for him always hooking me up with some awesome thumbnails. Thanks, Lil Chef.
Studio Epic. When I moved into this shop, I had 28,193 views and a total of 291 subscribers. That was way back in April of 2015 when I uploaded my first video from my garage shop. When I left this shop, August 31st, 2018, I had now had 1,636,559 views and 11,803 subscribers. I want to personally thank each and every one of y'all that watched a video and subscribed to my channel. I can't go say how much that means to me. In just a little over 3 short years, my channel accumulated 1,608,366 views and added 11,512 subscribers. My channel has grown more than I could have ever imagined, and I have to thank you, the subscribers, for that opportunity to help grow my channel. Thank you very much. So guys, my shop, or my garage I should say, is completely empty, and I apologize for the echo. I can hear it as I'm talking. It's definitely different looking at this garage. It's completely empty. It's kind of a little bit sad knowing I'm leaving it, but I'm very, very excited for the new shop and getting to work in it and make new videos for you guys from the new shop. And like I said, I'm very excited about that. It's been something that I've wanted to shop for a long time, and I'm just glad I've been able to get a larger shop that's dedicated just to the woodworking stuff and give me a little bit more space to do more things. So I'm excited about that, but like I said, it's a little sad seeing myself leave this shop because so many things have happened in this shop since I started doing the YouTube, and not just for YouTube, but I've made a lot of projects that even didn't end up on YouTube that I built for commission or something like that. And it's just kind of sad to see myself leaving the shop and the house. This is the first house I ever bought, and I don't know, but like I said, it's on to bigger and better things, and I'm very excited for that. There's been a lot of great things that's happened since I've been in the shop. You know, I was able to get married to my beautiful wife, and we have a family with her and our 2 boys, and you've seen them on the Halloween video. And so that happened just about a year ago. So it's just awesome that's been able to happen while I was in this shop. So there's a lot of good memories out there, and I'm just thankful for everything that's happened during this time. Just a couple of projects I wanted to highlight before I leave the shop one is the pallet cutting board. A lot of you guys that are subscribed may have seen that video. It is my most popular video. It's gotten a ton of subscribers and a ton of views and a lot of comments, a lot of controversy. And it's been awesome getting to see that roll through on YouTube. So that's like, I guess, a special video that I can think of. One video that I did that I was surprised is actually when I made these drawers. You may remember, these drawers here are the first ever attempt at box joints or finger joints. They're not great, but it was my first attempt at that. And I have to say that that's something I never thought I would do, and I've done it, and I look forward to doing it again. I think it turned out awesome. But I would say my favorite project, without a doubt, is these drawers I made here. Another set of drawers, but these turned out great, and I think the way I used 2x4s to make these drawers, and I think it was just a great design, and made it to where anyone could make those drawers that has limited availability to wood and lumber. If you can go to Home Depot, you can build those drawers. Anyway, it's time to take the sign off the door, and we're moving out of the shop. So thanks again for watching. And next time you guys see me, I'll be in the new shop. I appreciate all of your support and views over the years. Thanks again for watching, and as always, y'all will see me next time. Thanks again for watching, and as always, y'all will see me next time.